Jagielski, and I am a billing and logistics manager for ESP. I was born and raised in Allentown, Pennsylvania. I went to school there. I actually started college on the same street that I went to high school on. I moved around throughout the years. I lived in Virginia Beach for a year. I lived in Portland, Oregon for about 8 years. I never can seem to stay in the same place twice, and I'm actually back in Allentown currently. The gifts I think that I bring to the table in my career as well as my personal life is I do have hopefully a lot of patience for everyone, and I try to give everyone the benefit of the doubt. I'll keep working through it no matter how hard it gets. There were times when I was working the fires in California and we did a 13-hour day. We're all tired, and what did I do? I went home and wrote a paper. So then I got about 4 hours of sleep, right back to the job site. And one thing that I'm really proud of is that in that I was able to graduate with honors and was accepted into a National Honor Society and graduate with a 4.0. Outside of work, my passions are I love everything outdoors. I love snowboarding, skiing. I always like to get a good view, although I don't like being too close to the edge. One of my biggest things with ESP is the family culture and also learning skills that I didn't know the day before. Always something different, and no job is ever the same. And the skills that I have gained through working with ESP and other aspects of my life have led me to believe in this company and want to grow with this company.